Here's a step-by-step guide on how to send photos that disappear on Snapchat. First of all, go ahead and open up your Snapchat. And let's say I'm gonna take a snap right here, right? And after you took the snap picture, what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to click the timer right here at the bottom, right? You're gonna see it, the last option. Click on it, right? And no limit, that means that when you send the photo to a recipient, they will have access to see that photo like indefinitely, right? However, if you just set the time to be 5 seconds, 7 seconds, whatever it might be, that means that the person will see the a photo that you sent to him or her, and after 7 seconds the photo will disappear from the from the Snapchat. So if you want to set a timer, right, like 5 seconds, so that means that when the recipient sees that photo after 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 8 seconds even, the photo will disappear. But if you just set it to no limit, snaps and stories sent or set to no limit, a loop or bounce videos can be saved by friends. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.